This is the manual for the interactive and educational prayer mat. It describes the concept of MySalahMat and its components in a detailed and informative way. It's nice to read the background to MySalahMat and the intention behind it. And here it tells you all about the Quran reciter Qari Ilyas al-Badr, who was studied in Mecca and achieved Ijaza in Egypt. This page is really useful as it sets out the full specifications of the MySalahMat. It's coded so you can easily look at the icons on the mat and check exactly what they are. This page is really useful for keeping a record of what's been learnt, as well as what needs to be learnt. It helps to provide a kind of structure to the learning process. MySalahMat is straightforward to use, but this page clarifies each step exactly. Here we have a step-by-step route through the whole process of Salah. These pages are helpful to use as guidelines before using the mat, for example, making sure it is completely flat and how the pressure pads work. MySalahMat, fun, easy and interactive.